How to use Zoho CRM on Android. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. On your store, tap on the search bar and search for Zoho CRM. You'll find the Zoho CRM app on the search results. It has this kind of official logo. In the right hand side, you'll see the install button. As I've already installed this app on my phone, I will go and launch this app. Tap on this app icon. Now you can easily create your account first, and after you log in, you'll be able to explore this app like this. If you're having trouble using the apps, you can also access this Zoho CRM website. You can go to your web browser and navigate to the crm.zoho.com, and you will be prompted to the Zoho CRM website. So that's how you can easily access Zoho CRM on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.